Welcome to the 8 Quanta Library content. In today's session, we'll cover how to extract a journal entries report with an audit trail in NetSuite. Let's start by creating a journal entry report that includes the audit trail. Go to Lists, Search, Saved Searches, click New. Find the transaction search type, then click the link to create a new search. Please input a title for the saved search. This allows you to look up the search later. You can also enter the search ID manually, or it will be populated automatically. For discussion purposes, a saved search has already been created in advance. I have already entered the search title, and ID was automatically created. Under the Criteria tab, add a new filter for type and set it to Journal. I've also added the internal ID of the journal entry I want to test in this video. You can add additional criteria as needed. In the Results tab, I've added and grouped the fields document number, date, and account. I've also included debit and credit amounts, which are set to be summed. These fields correspond to what we typically see in a journal entry. Let's open the journal entry we'll be reviewing in this video. You'll notice that the same fields appear here as in the saved search we created earlier. Now, let's add the fields we want to include for the audit trail. I've added system notes details to show the date, set by, context, type, field, and the old and new values. This allows us to track changes and view the audit trail of the journal entry. The results display the same information as shown in the journal entry earlier. Now, click the journal entry link to access its audit trail. You'll see two lines because this journal entry involves two accounts. The remaining details come from the system notes, showing details and changes made to the journal entry since it was first created. To extract the report, click the icon in the upper left corner of the screen. I'll export this as a CSV file, but you can choose other formats as well. We've now successfully extracted a journal entry report that includes the audit trail. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.